Let me show you my 67 Charger. Big 440. Dual hollies on the front. High-rise intake. Old school race car. The goal is to have it racing this summer. As you can see, still a few more things to hook up. Have to get the transmission in it. Put the headers on it. Hopefully when it's done it'll be a good strip machine. Got the car out of New York. Hasn't been raced for a while. Previous owner pulled the engine out, tore it down for rebuild, recondition. As you can see, the interior is stripped out, minimized. Roll bars added, ready for racing.